All personnel report to the nearest tornado shelter.
And you can see it all wrapping around. This is an infrared picture, which is much easier to look at than a visible one because we have.
Let's go. Just for a second.
All personnel report to the nearest tornado shelter.
I heard glass crash. Everyone was peeking around the corner.